Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And as soon as the weather is good enough, I cannot wait to get outside and just sit and enjoy myself. Having a comfortable chair, of course, makes all the difference in the world. I've been using this camping chair that I got from QUYUAN, and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable. It has this nice padding, not just on the seat, but also on the arms and the back. And it's more than just a camping chair. This is something that you are going to enjoy just having in the yard. Not only did we take it camping, but I've also been using it like when we had a burn pile and I needed to sit out and monitor that with a hose, or just out in the yard when I want to be outside enjoying things. This is a nice sized chair. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. My husband is 6 foot 195, and both of us fit really well in this. Very comfortable. I love the different features that it has too. It has a nice, convenient cup holder for your drink, and then on the other side there is a pouch with 3 different pockets, and those are both removable too if you don't feel like you want them. This is such a well-made, comfortable chair. You are going to want one for every member of your family, and that's my point of view.